Hello, Suburban West Realtor members. As you are well aware, the past 6 weeks has presented us with a unique set of challenges. Today greets us with a new reality. It's difficult, but absolutely critical to plan ahead for the new world we will live and work in as realtors. Now is an opportunity to be proactive, to regroup with our teams and our clients and strategize effectively for the future. I'm Kit Anstey, your 2020 Association Chairman. While much of the world has hit the pause button, our association is working hard on a bold plan for the future, based on a vision to help you be the best, a go-forward combination of the right services, the right support, and the right influence to move into the future. To position our realtors and brokers for success, after years of experimenting with shared services across association boundaries, and after 18 months of formally thinking through the how to best position ourselves for the future, your board has voted to merge with Montgomery County Association of Realtors. Our two strong associations will join forces to forge a better future together. Our proposed new association will be Tri-County Suburban Realtors. Our merger is an intentional, strategic move into the future. We believe our future is better together. Two healthy associations forming one stronger community of realtors across our 3-county footprint. For all one reason to help you be the best industry has to offer. You, our members, are on the forefront of this approach. In an uncertain time, we are sure that this action is the best way to support you through new approaches to professional development, our continued work in the area of advocacy, and growing collaboration to promote the value of the realtor. We invite you to learn more about the merger and get answers to questions you might be asking yourself at the website cometogether.us. And in the coming weeks, you'll hear even more about this consolidation means for you and details for an all-realtor member vote on June 15th. Please be safe out there. We need each other to be healthy and ready to face the future together. Thank you so very much.